it's about a hidden feeling of somebody, a current feeling or a hidden feeling. Okay, somebody's telling you, I'm done with you, I'm actually done with you. You have to be in this power of you know everything. You have to be a master. You have to be a guide to people. You have to be the leading role. You have to come into this leading role. You just can't be a say you can't project to be a stupid person when you have so much intelligence. Somebody's trying to tell you just acquire this energy of you are my equal, or even a little bit bigger than that position, because I just can't accept you to be a little person. I want you to be the most intelligent one, because I just love intelligent people. I love extremely intelligent people, and you are all among them. So they are saying whatever plays I'm doing, whatever games I'm doing, you just catching every game. You're just getting everything so right. So I just can't stand this person. I have to be with. They are saying I want to date you in some way, or I want to be with you. I just want to have a relationship and everybody should know about it. I want to announce it to the world and tell it to the world that this is my real, partner. I really want to date this person. I want to be, and in between, somebody's getting a clarity about their own real partner, and some people are getting a clarity around the situation where they feel like, okay, if this is the case, then we have to be together, because um, it's so beautiful, it's so nice that these people have this coordination. They fight, they come together, again they fight, again they come together. They don't care about fighting and all, they just simply come together. And they're not so much about ego and pride. The other person can be proudy, but they are still so much loving, and they just simply try to always come back and catch this thing. So it's just like, we just can't do this game anymore. It's done, let's done this thing. So now it's time for you to understand why this person is like saying, I want to be with you, or you have to be in my life, because they see that potential in you. And how can you be in this role? You have to connect with people, youngsters, and young people, and have a connection with them, and tell them either stories, or actually you can be a good writer, or you have to tell something about love, romance, relationship, dating. If this happens, so this situation can be a little bit much more better. And that's what the universe is telling you, that you have to be connecting with people and youth and the youngsters, because if you can do this, only then certain things can move. And you have to just accept this role of yourself where you are so much kind and loving. Anybody can tell you their problems, their love stories, their efforts, and what went wrong, what happened. And the person whoever is your spouse, or whoever is this partner, they love these things. Actually, they like to listen to people's stories and all, but they're saying, I would like to be with you, because I know you can only you can tame me, you can correct me, you can find I can. This person is heavily obsessed with you, and this person is like, I'm intoxicated with love, and they're saying, I want to actually have this thing going on. But it's not like, even if this person gets into marriage with you, they would like to ask for this promise. You would not act like a wife, like a typical wife. I hate such things, like, don't talk to her, don't do this, or nag and brag. I don't like nagging and bragging. So you just don't, you act like a girlfriend, or you still behave like a girlfriend. I don't know, but they're saying, I would like you to act like you are my lover, beloved, not a girlfriend, but a beloved. I would not like you to act like a committed person. Why are you doing this? Where have you come? I want that freedom where we are going, dancing, singing, and everybody knows that we are in love. So this kind of relationship I want.